Lesson 10. What time is it? Time words.
Hello students. Today we're going to talk about time. There are different ways to tell time. First, let's start with a clock. Here's a beautiful clock. Okay, this is a clock. Here comes the numbers. 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay, so here's our clock. Now, first example, we're going to do like this. Now, we can say for this, it is 1 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. All right? Or we can say, easy, it is 1 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock. Now, we only say o'clock when it's here. Only here. 1 o'clock. All right? Now, another example is, we'll still use 1. It's, all right. Now, here we can say this 3 ways. Easy. It is 1:15. It is 1:15. Easy. Or we can say it is 1:15. It is 1:15. And then the third way is similar. It is 1:15. Same. It is 1:15. Okay? Now, let's do another example. Here, we'll change the time again. And we'll use a different hour. It is, now you can see that it is 9:30. This is the easy one. It is 9:30. Oops. All right. It is 9:30. 30. Now, another way, it is 9:30. It is 9:30. It is 9:30. It is 9:30. It's the same. Okay, now let's try another one. This time we have all right. Now, for this one, we have, it is 11:45. It is 11:45. 11:45. Or we can say it is 11:45. It is 11:45. It is 11:45. Okay? 2. Another example. We're going to see all sorts of times here. All right. We have, let's get the right color. It is 10. All right. Now, it is, this one's kind of easy. It is 10:10. It is 10:10. All right? It is 10:10. Or we can say it is 10:10. It is 10 past 10. All right? It is 10 past 10. Or it is 10 after 10. It is 10 after 10. All right? It is 10:10, it is 10 past 10, it is 10 after 10. Now, here's another one. It is all right. Now, it is 4. This is the easy one. 4:35. It is 4:35. It's 4:35. Now, this one, we're going this way. It is 25 to 5. It is 25 to 5. All right? It is 4:35. It is 25 to 5. Okay? Okay, here's another one. This one's kind of easy. And we have there. Okay. Now, remember, o'clock is here, only here. So, it is 12 o'clock. It is 12 o'clock. All right? It is 12 o'clock. It is 12 o'clock. Or, it is noon in the daytime. It is noon to eat lunch. It is noon. And, or at night, it is midnight. Nighttime, of course. All right? It is midnight. Time to sleep. All right? So it's 12 o'clock. It is 12 o'clock. It is noon. It is midnight.
Time words. What time?
All right. Now, we have a new question about time. What time is it? What time is it? It is... What time is it? It is... So now we're going to practice with our assistants. And we'll start with Ali. So, Ali, what time is it? I want you to say the time all the ways that you can.
It's midnight.
Okay.
It's noon. It's 12 o'clock.
Okay. It is midnight. It is noon. It is 12 o'clock. Okay, good job. Now, Isabel.
It is 10 to 5.
All right. And another one?
It's 4:50.
Okay. It is 10 to 5. It is 4:50. Good. Now, Lisa, you do it.
It is 5 to 3.
Okay.
It is 2:55.
Yes. Okay. It is 5 to 3. It is 2:55. All right. Now, Isabel, for you.
It is 4 o'clock.
Yes, that's good. It is 4 o'clock. Great. Now, Lisa, for you.
It is 5 past 5. It is 5:05.
Yes, good. Okay. It is 5 past 5. It is 5:05. All right, Ali, for you.
It is 12:25. It is 25 after 12.
Yes, it is 12:25, easy one. It is 25 after 12. Okay, Lisa, back to you.
It is 5 past 12. It is 12:05.
All right, it is 5 past 12. It is 12:05. Lisa, is it midnight?
Yes, it is midnight.
Okay. All right, Isabel, the next one for you.
It is 3 o'clock.
Yes, it's 3 o'clock. All right, good. Now, Ali, for you.
It is 10 to 2. It is 1:50.
Yes, it is 10 to 2. It is 1:50. Okay, Lisa.
It's 5 o'clock.
Yes, it is 5 o'clock. Time to go home. No. Okay, and Isabel.
It's 22:04.
Yes.
And it's 3:40.
Uh-huh. It is 20 to 4. It is 3:40. All right, thank you, everyone. Now it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3:15. It's 3:15. It's 3:15. It's 3:30. It's 3:30. It's 10 to 4. It's 3:50.
Read and repeat. Time. Prepositions of time.
All right. Now, let's look at another new question about time. What time do you go to work? What time do you go to work? For example, I go to work at 9 a.m. What time do you go to? I go to work at 9 a.m. So notice that we use at for the time. At plus time. Okay, this is very important. Now, first we're going to learn some vocabulary so that we can make more questions. So let me write these on the board and you will see them on the monitor. Okay, first, get up. Get up. Okay? Another one, go to bed. Go to bed. Next, go to the cinema. Go to the cinema. Another one, eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Then, eat lunch. Eat lunch. Then eat dinner. Eat dinner. Another one, start work. Start work. And finish work. Finish work. Okay, so we have get up, go to bed, go to the cinema, eat breakfast, eat lunch, eat dinner, start work, and finish work. Okay? Now, we're going to make some questions with these words. All right. Now, Lisa, what time do you get up?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
All right. And Ali, what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at midnight.
All right. Lisa, what time does Ali go to bed?
He goes to bed at midnight.
Yes, that's right. Lisa, what time do you go to the cinema?
I go to the cinema at 7 o'clock.
Isabel, what time does Lisa go to the cinema?
She goes to the cinema at 7.
Yes. Isabel, what time do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 8:30.
Ali, what time does Isabel eat breakfast?
She eats breakfast at 8:30.
All right. Isabel, what time do we start class?
We start class at 9.
All right. And Lisa, what time do you finish your class?
We finish our class at noon.
Yes, very good. All right. Now, again, it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. She goes to bed at midnight. We eat breakfast at 8:30. They go to the cinema at 7:15. He goes to work at 7:30.
Read and repeat. Parts of the day.
All right, now let's add more information about time. So here's some more vocabulary. First, in the morning. In the morning. Next, we have in the afternoon. In the afternoon. Then we have in the evening. In the evening. And this one is special, at night. At night. Okay, so we have in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. So be careful. All right, now let's look at some examples using this vocabulary. We start class at 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay? We start class at 9 o'clock in the morning. All right? Okay, another example. You study in the afternoon. You study in the afternoon. Okay? Another one. They go to the cinema in the evening. They go to the cinema in the evening. And one more. He goes to bed at 11 o'clock at night. Okay? He goes to bed at 11 o'clock at night. Okay? Now, let's practice. So, Lisa, when do you get up?
I get up at 7:30 in the morning.
All right. And when do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 8:30.
All right. Isabel, when do you come to school?
I come to school at 8 in the morning.
Ali, when do you go home?
I go home at 5 in the evening.
All right. When do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7 in the evening.
Ali, ask Isabel a question.
Sabel, what time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at noon.
All right. Isabel, ask Lisa.
Lisa, when do you start work?
I start work at 7 o'clock in the evening.
Oh, wow.
Lisa, ask me.
Teacher, when do you go to bed?
I go to bed at midnight. All right. Good job. Now, let's look and listen.
Look and listen.
When do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning. When does Ali eat breakfast? He eats breakfast at 7:30 in the morning. When does Lisa eat lunch? She eats lunch at noon. When do you go to the cinema? We go to the cinema at 8 o'clock in the evening. When do they go to bed? They go to bed at 11 o'clock at night.
Read and repeat.
Now, let's learn a few new words. Here we go. Every morning. Early, late. Okay? Every morning.